Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Trump coin on Binance. So if you also want to buy Trump coin on Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So the Trump coin is a meme coin. It is a cryptocurrency with a political twist. It is used for transactions, trading and speculative investments. Its popularity is tied to its connection to Donald Trump and the broader meme culture. So if you also want to buy the Trump coin, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, launch open Binance application. Make sure you're logged into your account and your account is verified. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you'll be able to see your total value. Also, you'll be able to find several options like spot, rewards hub, earn, etc. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for home, markets, trade, futures and assets. Simply tap on the future option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find several options like convert, spot, margin, buy or sell. Make sure buy or sell is selected. So in this interface, you'll be able to find two options, buy and sell. Make sure buy option is selected. Now over here, what you have to do is select the Trump as the cryptocurrency. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for buy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now make sure to select the Trump over here. Simply find the option for Trump. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, Trump will be selected. Now you can specify the amount of Trump you want to buy. Simply type in the US dollar you want to spend. Or you can also choose the currency of your choice. Now you'll also be able to see the conversion amount of Trump over here. After that, you'll be able to buy the Trump. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for pay with. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can choose your payment method. Simply tap on the payment method of your choice. After that, tap on the confirm option. Now if you haven't added any card on Binance, you'll be directed to add the new card. Simply tap on the option add new card. After that, go ahead and add the new card for yourself. After that, complete the transaction process and you'll be able to buy the Trump coin. Or there's also another way to do so. Simply go back. Now over here, what you have to do is tap on the spot option. Now from here too, you'll be able to buy the Trump coin. All you have to do is first of all tap on the cryptocurrency that is selected right now at the top. Now over here, what you have to do is find the option for Trump. Simply tap on the search bar, type in Trump. Now you'll be able to find several options for Trump over here. Simply tap on the Trump option with USDT, or if you have USDC, you can also tap on that option. After that, you'll be able to buy the Trump. Simply enter the amount of Trump you want to buy. Over here, you'll be able to find the field for amount. Simply tap on it. Now after that, specify the amount. Now you'll be able to see the total USDT that you'll have to pay. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for buy Trump. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options for paying over here. You'll be able to find the option for transfer, buy with USD, buy with USD P2P, deposit crypto. Simply tap on the transfer option. After that, you'll have to transfer the USDT from funding to spot wallet. Simply enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, what you have to do is tap on the option confirm transfer. After that, USDT will be transferred from funding to spot wallet and you'll be able to buy the Trump coin with USDT. So following these processes, you'll be able to buy the Trump coin on Binance. So that is how you buy Trump coin on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.